Hi there, crochet buddies. Celebrating Small Business Appreciation Week, let's fuel our love for crochet while boosting small businesses. I've discovered 5 outstanding crochet YouTube channels that you absolutely need to subscribe to today. Stick around until the end of this video, because not only could your favorite YouTuber be featured, I'm going to share 3 simple, fast, and easy ways you can support them and other small businesses. Check out the description below for all the links. Let's dive right in. All right, first up, meet Cat Cake Crochet. She's a fellow pink hair crocheted mama, so of course I felt an instant connection. More than her vibrant hair, she is incredibly creative and super skilled at amigurumi. You gotta check out her videos on market prep, managing a business as a busy mom, and let's not forget about her worms. You'll have to click on her link to unravel that mystery. Next on our list is Not a Crawl Crochet. She is a wizard with amazing granny square blankets. I learned how to crochet granny squares from her tutorials, and her channel ultimately inspired me to create my own YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels series on how to crochet sunburst granny squares left-handed, because I'm a lefty. And we have Blondie Knots, who shares my love for big, fluffy crochet hair accessories. She just came out with a video on how to make these gorgeous flower claw clips, and they are next on my market prep list for my first market coming up in just a few weeks. Next up is Melly Inspired Crochet. She's another amigurumi master and a brilliant pattern designer. Wait till you see her sewing sticks. If you make amigurumi and you didn't know that you need sewing sticks, now you know. Last but certainly not least is the Crochetpreneur. She's a seasoned pro in the handmade business space on YouTube and shares fantastic tips on building profitable crochet and other handmade businesses. If you haven't already, now is your chance to support these amazing creators by clicking on the links below and subscribing to their channels. Now, if you're thinking, I can't believe she didn't mention, insert the name of your favorite crochet YouTube channel, it was really hard to pick just 5. And there are many more out there who also deserve shoutouts. So if I didn't mention your favorite, there are 3 ways that you can support them right now for free. Tip number 1 is to comment below with the name of your favorite channel and share one reason why they're amazing. I'll subscribe to their channel if I haven't already as soon as I see your comment. And so can others who see it too. We can spread word about these amazing crochet channels just like that. It only takes a few seconds and it helps all of us to find more inspiration. Tip number 2 is give a shout out to your favorite crocheters on your own social media pages and encourage your friends to like and share those posts. It can be a video here on YouTube or an Instagram or Facebook post. Just share. And remember, no circle is too small. As of recording this video, I have 59 subscribers, and if you're the only one who makes it this far in the video, thank you. It's amazing that there's one more person out there who's going to be able to support some fantastic creators and learn some helpful tips to support your own. So thank you. Tip number 3, when watching a video from one of your favorite crocheters, watch their videos all the way until the end. YouTube rewards channels whose videos are watched all the way through. It shows that their content is worth your time. Pretty straightforward. And I understand that sometimes that's not always possible, especially when you have other responsibilities like taking care of small kids like I do. But keep this in mind as a simple but important way that you can support your favorite YouTubers right now for free. Thanks for watching my video, and a huge shout out to all of the small businesses on YouTube. This is my way of showing appreciation to those who have paved the way for me to build confidence to share content too. Happy Small Business Appreciation Week to all of the small businesses out there. See you soon.